Hi guys.
I'm Shauni.
And I'm Mondi, and we've been married for 11 years.
Yes, indeed. And you say he won't fully commit to you?
Here's why.
We're going to talk about it right after this. Intro. That was off key.
That was off key. You want to try that again?
Yeah. Intro.
I was just joking. Alright, so let's face it. There are a million reasons why guys will not commit and sit down somewhere. You know? It's because we haven't found the right one. But when we have found the right one, we will sit down somewhere and commit. Alright? But let's talk about some of the reasons why most guys don't commit.
Yeah.
Alright? You know, we're going to get to the nitty gritty of why they won't sit down somewhere. Alright, reason number one, I believe, is you're probably not the one. Okay? And I don't mean it to be disrespectful, but you're probably not the one.
Listen to me, I've been saying this for a long time. But don't nobody listen to me because I don't know what I'm talking about.
Listen, it's extremely hard for, this is one is extremely hard for women who are wanting a man to commit in marriage, right? And they all talk about, I hear women say it all the time, I'm a good woman. You might be perfect for somebody else. Okay? Because us guys, truthfully speaking, for us guys, when we found the right one, we will commit. And for us guys, when we're talking about committing our lives to one woman, we're not looking for just a good woman. We're looking for the right woman.
I mean, I don't know what I'm talking about. I've only been saying this for a very long time. Women, listen to me. Do not ever chase no man, never in your whole entire life, okay? Because if you are the one, he will come for you, okay? And he will fully commit to you.
Yes.
So if he doesn't come for you, you are not it, okay? Don't feel no type of way about it. Accept it and move on, okay? Now, I understand that the rejection hurts. But it will hurt far more if you stay with somebody for 10 doggone years and they ain't fully committed to you and they won't marry you.
True.
Okay? Take that L and move on with your life.
Yes.
Okay?
I agree. I think sometimes also it's a lack of maturity, right? A lack of maturity on the guy's part, because you may be the one and he might be too immature. You know, he hasn't had time to figure out what he wants. Or he hasn't even had time. He hasn't had time to figure out who he is in the situation. But then there's other times when it's the lack of maturity in the woman, right? I mean, come on. There's sometimes it's just not there, right? And guys, how we look at it is like this: will she be able to step in if something were to happen to me? You know, is she capable of handling it mentally and emotionally and financially, keeping everything together? If we don't see these things, and I say we as guys, if we don't see these things, we're not going to commit.
Yeah.
Part 2 coming up next.
Come visit.